Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product unopenings and unboxings. Today I'll be reviewing these Ublins glasses. First and foremost, the branding is super on point. Love how, look at that, it's so cute. U goes with the Ublins. So yeah, I love this kind of stuff. So let's check out the first pair. This is to like readjust your glasses, on the sides. Thing to wipe your glasses with. Nice case as well. Oh, I like these. Look at the top over here. You can see kind of has like a little bit of a different rim to it. You can see the blue light filter that's on there as well. You can see like the different colors of my ring lights. I have kind of like a wider face. I don't like it when it presses on the side of my head. Contacts in right now, but I'm just gonna put them on really quick to show you. Okay, so you see how like it's so high above my nose? I probably have to readjust these little guys like a little flatter on my face so it's not so raised. But in general, love the shape. It fits perfectly on my face. I just need it to be a little bit lower down. But in general, the width is perfect. That's usually what I have trouble finding, wider lenses, because my PD, which is basically like your pupil distance, is like quite wide or like wider than normal people. And so for me, I have a hard time finding glasses that like fit my face because my pupils are so far away from each other, you know? This is the second design. Ooh, matte pink over here, and of course you can get it in whatever color you want. Once again, these glasses are specifically designed for people with wider faces and or wider pupil distances. Here it is up close. I love that just the ends are pink, so on the side it's not, you know, it might be like a little bit too much if it was like all the way around, but you can also see, you know, the blue lit filter on these as well. Oh yeah, these fit perfect already as is. Oh, I love it. Yeah, definitely super cute, super different. I would wear this with like, you know, a really cute outfit or something, but I like how it fits on me. Normally, honestly, I have a really hard time finding glasses, so the fact that like I've liked both of these is pretty rare. And the third and final reveal, ta-da, blue. So I chose all super fun, funky, you know, frames and colors and styles, just, you know, to switch things up a little bit. It's super flexible as well, wider frames, but I did want to see if I looked good in circle frames, so here we go. Okay, I don't know, I don't know if I can rock these. Let me know if I can or not in the comments. I like that the fact that like they do fit. I don't have to adjust this necessarily because they do fit pretty well. I think up close, yeah, they look better than farther away. Like I think maybe the different lights is changing things up, but I like 2 out of 3, which is pretty good. So out of these 3 frames, I want to know which one is your favorite, which one would you wear, which one wouldn't you wear? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to purchase them, if you want to purchase any of these, check out the link below. And of course, they have loads of other types of lenses and frames and all sorts of different stuff. And they even have sunglasses if you're interested. So check them out, Ublin glasses. If you like product unboxings, you want to see more, go ahead, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.